What's good, y'all? What's going on? Stock market savage Santorio Hector, Cleveland record producer, cannabis grower and breeder, self-taught investor. What's happening, y'all? People are probably losing their minds as Palantir and Nvidia tumbles lower. Robin Hood, you know. Look, 70, guys. Hmm. So I'm looking at a 1 month chart in 30-second intervals. Did you know you could do that? Let's check out some different intervals. I try to trade a little bit different to everybody else, but I try to listen to what everybody else. I try to take in. This is why I pay attention and I watch the interviews of all successful traders as many as I can. I may watch 2 or 3 interviews of other traders a day or every couple of days, and I listen to them. If they make millions of dollars in the market, I listen to them. I do, and on the as traders would read Fibonacci, even on a downturn, you can still make money on little upspurts. As the Fibonacci go up and down. So you can make little. You can make. This is why scalpers. This is why the brother said that scalpers, you can't scale an account without learning how to scalp, man. How could you not want to take that $70 here, $70 there, $80 here, $100 there? You might risk 1,000 to make 100, but it's kind of easy once you learn. Well, it's hard to explain as a trader. So listen, this is why Jim Cramer always says to learn. Hey, everybody that's in the live, I cannot see any names or anything right now. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. We have like 7 people in the live without 7 likes. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. So listen, like Jim Cramer was saying, knowing what is your suitability for the stocks that you hold, and depending on what what you're doing in the market is going to depend on how you react when the market becomes volatile, how you react when the market starts to wild out. When the shooting starts, when shootouts start, people panic. Most people panic and start running. Few people get down. Few people instinct is to get down, try to see and listen. I would have to blow out my ears because I don't hear like everybody else, and try to see where the shots are coming from, to either, if you prepared to retaliate, if you armed, you know what I'm saying, or whatever you gonna do. You want to stay low when the shooting start, but you want to be prepared and you don't want to panic. And that's the same thing with when you in the market. This is the difference an investor is going to move different than a trader. And because I was investing and trading stock options contracts and actually was put into a situation where I figured I might as well take this time to learn how to trade, like, and be a full-time trader as a job for and make turn that into how I make my living. I I move different. I study different. I read the Fibonacci different. But as a trader, I trade using other people's money, which is the broker's money, using margin, which is a loan. Basically, I trade off loans from my brokers, so I cannot just sit and watch a stock go down and not utilize it to my benefit. I'm not going to let them drive the market down on me and allow myself to get caught up in a margin call because I just love this stock so much that I can't let it go. I'm just going to watch it go down, down, down. If it's going down and I don't put a put on it, then I'm kind of slow, right? If I'm not going to, I'm going to watch it go down. I'm going to continue to hold it and I'm not going to put a put on it. A put is when you take an options call saying that the price is going to go down, and the strike price of a put is the price that you're saying that that stock is going to fall to. So if you take a 180 put, you're saying that if the stock is 190, a 180 put means that the stock price is going to fall from 190 to 180 and maybe lower. And you make money off puts when stocks are the trend of a stock has changed. Meaning the trend was like it was growing in price, it was increasing in price, and the trend has reversed. That means that the stock price is about to fall. Capet. That looks Greek. Yo, what's up? At any rate, if you see like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, I what does that I do? I'm gonna look that up so I can. You speak Greek? That's you speak Greek. At any rate, so listen. As an investor, you must understand. Even when you're watching financial news, even when you're watching CNBC, um, Closing Bell, um, Fast Money, Mad Money. Jim Cramer is going to show you how to invest, not how to trade. It's the best thing. That's why I tell people join the CNBC Investing Club and learn how to invest. Because traders may possibly trade with borrowed money. We have to move different. I cannot just watch a stock go down and just let it go down and not um, make money off of the stock going down. I'm going to make money when the price of a stock falls. Some people are going to sit there or they're going to panic sell their stock. Even if you don't trade, if you own a stock and you're holding the stock for 5, 10, 15 years, it's not going to matter to you that the stock is going down in price because you know ultimately that your portfolio is going to recover the value that it's losing, and that the value that's lost is not a realized loss, what they call a realized loss. Your portfolio can wholly and will recover its value and exceed its value when people don't panic sell their stocks. Most people who panic sell their stocks are new investors who are attempting to invest and maneuver the market themselves without any professional consultation. So, in what may be a forever volatile market due to social media, information can be disseminated so rapidly. Whether the information has been validated to be true or not, you may have these volatile swings in the market forever. We don't know. But as a trader, you have to understand and you gotta learn how to read Fibonacci if you're gonna trade. So what I felt like that I see right now is look at Palantir for one. It make it lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. The price has been falling. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. It's been making lower highs and lower lows. It's been making lower highs and lower lows for 30 days. This is a 1 month chart. Come on, let's go to a 1 month chart. This is a 1 month chart. Look, it's a 1 month chart. And then on a 5 minute, in a 1 month chart and 5 minute intervals, it's still it peaked. It was making lower highs and lower lows 30 days ago. Then it peaked out. It peaked out up here at almost 200 something. This is resistance right here. I told y'all. I told y'all. 205, 206 is resistance for Palantir. Now it bounced. It's going about to bounce back down. Look, 30 days prior, it was to lower highs, the same lower highs and lower lows that it was doing 30 days ago before it peaked at 2 is going back. Look. So, Palantir is about to dip. Don't panic. Buy more. You're an investor. Buy more. If you're a trader and you didn't already take your profits on Palantir or Nvidia, man, I don't know what is wrong with you. They're both getting ready to fall. And it's just, if as a trader, I sold them shits. I took my profit. I might have took a soft loss on Nvidia because I know what I'm doing. At least I think I know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And so, in my journal for today, I got a Nvidia 195 put, Nvidia 195 put, and a Palantir 172.5 put. Those smacked in the money today. Day trader hit this today. You know what I mean? Shit. Smacked that for a couple dollars today. It ain't no mystery. I played a long-term game. Let's go to Nvidia. Let's go to Nvidia. Nvidia. And let's go to a month chart. Put a month chart on there. See what happened in a month with 5-minute intervals. Look at Nvidia. In a month, almost the same thing in a month. Almost the same thing. Oh, you feel me? NVIDIA. It's peak. Right here got two peaks at the top. 208. I know I don't got nothing to sell. I ain't trying to sell now. What you mean? What? Come on, get out my graph. See? At any rate, look at NVIDIA. Look at the resistance on the video. 208. 208, the resistance. But the support, what's the support there? The support it's been one, come on, man. God damn. Hold on, y'all. Let's just say the support is 179. If support is 179 on NVIDIA, the 195 put already in the money. The 195 put already in the money. Dude, I'm about to start journaling my trades like I haven't. You know what I'm saying? And all the good trades I see journaling trades. I'm gonna start journaling my trades. That's what I did today. That's all I'm doing today. Those are the only trades that I'm making today. Other than the fact that, you know, I'm gonna pick up NVIDIA and Palantir much lower. And ride this shit up to 200 and beyond. I promise you, I'm with this shit. I'm with this whole shit. Listen, I came really from the streets, from the streets. I done came from running down the street with motherfuckers shooting at me with bullets whizzing by my ear. It's like you can't turn to the left or the right. You just gotta run and look straight ahead. If I would have did like this, I'd have got smacked in the face. Might be dead. You ever been running and a motherfucker been shooting at you on some real shit? Like you ever been running and a motherfucker been shooting at you and you hear the bullets whizzing past your ears? Like the bullet, it's crazy how bullets sound going by you. You know what I mean? And it's like you gotta, like, I can't, like I could hear the bullets, like look straight. Like, so this is a beautiful thing. The market, there's brothers out here still trying to feel like they could take $1,000 and buy a drug pack, man. You better take that $1,000 and put that 1,000 in the market, man. You playing with your life, and you playing with your life and your freedom, trying to flip that $1,000 on the street. Come follow Santorio Hector, the stock market savage. Let me show you how to flip a band. I don't give investment advice. I just show what I'm actually doing. I'm actually doing this. These contracts in the money. I got up first thing in the morning and put these in because I looked at the Fibonacci. I'm like, oh shit. I said, oh shit, this shit about to fall. Yeah, look at the Fibonacci. It's about to fall. And then if you read the counterproductive, the VIX is going up. The VIX is going up. The VIX been hovering at 30, between 30 and 33. It ain't never bounced up to 35 and just sat there for no long time. In the last 30 days, the VIX ain't sat at $35 that long. It would just like it's like it's battling to go beyond. And so, you know, my trades is in for the day. And my trades are in for the day. And I just, you know what I mean? I feel like this is the type of day it's going to be. The market is falling. Whatever is going on, the reality of it is that the market is falling. And and I don't know what the Bears are into, but the Bears are out. And different it's battles and we're everywhere. Shootouts going on. I mean, every trader has to use his own particular metaphors and his own analogies to the market to paint the best picture from his lifestyle and his background to understand the market to be able to move how he needs to move. I tell they try to keep me from from keeping my account below 25,000, so I can't smack their ass around. When I can day trade, I'd have been in and out of that shit so fast with so much money, making some more trades because the shit better keep tumbling. You know what I'm saying? What's the earliest you should sip? What's the earliest you should sip a glass of wine? One of my favorite winemakers, an Ohio winemaker, Ferrante. Yeah. You know. Ohio has wine country. California is not the only place with wine country. We have heavy vineyards, wine country and vineyards. Great. Sicilians, Italians. heavily populated, and they bought the vineyards, the clones of the vines, and all the cottonwood in Little Italy. It's like grapevines in the backyard. Where it was the Italians that came, they bought the vines, but they brought the grapes from Italy here to America. Did you know that? Subscribe and like to the channel. I can tell you right now, this is what I did. These are the only moves that I made today. I have from today forward. I will keep a trading journal, and these are my trades for today. And that's it. And I'm just chilling for the rest of the day. I ain't touching nothing else. I'm not selling nothing else. I'm not buying nothing else. Feel like, ooh, this shit cool. Hey, this lightweight cold, y'all. I can't stay out here, man. I'm a tropical guy. My people's be like, nigga, you better know how you like how you a tropical. My blood is from the tropics. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? I never liked it this cold shit. Ever. Ever did I like this cold. I'm gonna be somewhere where it's warm in Arizona where my son is at. I need this week, my trading week, to go like I wanted to anyway, so I could jump on a plane somewhere here. I'm gonna get the hell on up out of Cleveland for just go take me a vacation. I ain't had a vacation. This week gonna go how I want it to go. Because I'm just gonna trade smart. I've been watching interviews of traders who was like similar situations to mine, working and playing with the same type of money before they just took it, just turned up on them. You heard me? I know my story is different. I know it ain't a lot of traders who had $34,000 in realized profits in their first year trading. I had 34,000 in realized profits today and growing. I've been trading for a year and 4 months. And I'm probably like, I don't know about no history or no Native American traders. I'm probably like one of the few like Native American traders that's a bona fide Native American with proof to prove it. How many Native American traders existed in the trading world? Not many. You know what I mean? The bad part of waking up, it Folgers in your cup. I need a goddamn Folger commercial. They might as well, Folgers might as well just pay me and I could just throw one of them into the channel. A channel commercial. What y'all think? The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. You dig? Tell me this motherfucker accidentally for jelly. I don't use sugar, so I use honey as a sweetener. I stopped using sugar. It's been about a year. And no granulated sugar for me. It's honey. Ice cream. My coffee be tasting like it should be made into some type of coffee candy. I make some great coffee. Coffee in a stick. In the market. Shit. God damn. This motherfucker doing right here. Yeah, wait. Shit's about to fall. I'm about to print. Oh! Let me iron vice this shit. I'm gonna iron vice this shit too. The rest of them are already iron viced. So it's a win-win, you know. That's how this shit go. Iron vice shit. I ain't even got time to play with this market. I'm from the streets, B. I'm gonna treat the market like the market will treat me. Your market don't give two about you, B. you better learn the pulse of the market's heartbeat. The market don't care about you, B. You love yourself and you love your family. you love spending time with your children, doing shit for them. You know what I'm saying? Making it so they don't have to struggle. You know what I'm talking about? My parents gave us everything, baby. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how to. I got to give my children. That's why I used to be selling drugs and shit. It was by any means my children was not gonna be without me and my girl. They never gonna be whoever's with me. Whoever the fuck is with me, we good. You know what I'm talking about? That's the life I live. If you with me, we good. I'm gonna pound it. Some type of way I'm gonna handle this shit. That's what a man do. Ain't no fucking excuses with this shit, babe. Cause don't nobody wanna hear no fucking excuses. Well, hey. And it's, you know, anybody could get wiped out. I know that. I don't disrespect the market. I know that. And I don't play with other people's money. I ain't got the whole Palantir and NVIDIA for people to say I own that shit. If that shit is gonna make me have to own my broker, hell, that shit is gone. Quick, like fuck. They ain't never about to be owing them and then I don't have shit because I got to pay them and get liquidated out. No, man, I'm not. I'm not put. I ain't trying to get rich quick like that. Put it all on one shit. Like no, I'm on. I ain't, you know. Smoky as hell. I be growing some good ass hair. I got some CBD that I grew my own. I grew all types of medicinal grade. Skin clearing up, like all that. I changed the way I eat and all of it. I don't be stressing. I let life be what it is. I promise I let life be what it is. Hey, y'all know what I thought about? What y'all think about this? I'm a music publisher. So I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna buy. I ain't gotta see. I'm gonna reach out to my publishing administrator and see how much it is to get a publishing clearance license, so that I can play music and won't get be a copyright infringement because I got a license that'll make the channel live. I could be having Nipsey streaming in the background and you'll be able to hear it because I got a publishing uh, license to be able to play The catalogs. I'm gonna check into that. That'll make my channel distinctively different. A lot of people don't know that you can pay for a license to be able to broadcast and play the music in the backgrounds of your channels and all that shit. But the license costs, or they gon' you can play so many seconds and then it's a copyright shit. You know how they do. Or maybe you don't, but it ain't right. I'm sitting here watching this market, man. The VIX about to go stupid. I got to make a move and so the VIX going stupid. The market going down. If the VIX going up, that's for sure. The fear. Look at Robinhood falling. Tumbling. Tumbling. It's a shootout going on. Like I say, that's what the broadcast is about. You know, if you're a trader, you know, investors don't really have to worry about this type of shit. This is when they could just suck up more shares and you know what I'm saying? They get profit at different levels, and that's the most beautiful thing. Profit at different levels. Hey, what's up? Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm personally giving 10 people a $100 monetary cash gift for a $1,000 giveaway total. So like and subscribe, and tell everybody that you know to subscribe to the Stock Market Savages channel. I don't give investment advice, but these the trades that I took today. They already smacked in the money, and they still in the money. So that's just to let you know that I do this. It's money over here. Now I don't know what everybody else doing, and I don't, I know about the people that I've learned from. You know, you know what Ian say about it. What did Ian say? Put in the chats if I made you money. These are the trades I personally took. I'm about to start keeping a journal. They already in the money, smacked in the money, and still in the money, going deeper. So I don't know what everybody else do, bro.